This tractor-mounted sod peat cutter is renowned for high production. Here is an automatic strawberry spraying system for the best strawberries. Its hydraulic folding boom ensures 3 rows are sprayed evenly, at once. Built by NUñEZ, these huge 7 blades glide through tough dirt. The 150 scooper with a single axle consists of an electrically driven nose. Similar to a skid steer loader with a telescoping conveyor connected to it. The Sputnik Model 150 scooper deals with thousands of potatoes in seconds. The Skumone Big Foam is an ecological thermal leak killing machine. Designed to keep vineyards and tree crops healthy. This is the FPS 80er side barrel milling cutter. A power harrow allowing controlled hydraulic lateral movement. Here's a safe, effective solution to reduce nuisance birds by up to 70%. The AgriLaser Autonomic is an automated intelligent laser bird repellent. This is a self-propelled cleaner loader for harvesting sugar beet. Featuring 326 horsepower engine and an extremely robust pickup system. Its 18 rollers gently separate then transport the beet to storage. At 10.20 meter wide, the arms of the Euromouse 4 cover a huge area. The IFX 720 extractor is a fantastic high-quality farm machine. It's performs smooth, quick and easy wrapping of 6 round bales. The Deutz TTV 9340 Agritron is a unique agricultural tractor. Equipped with a lifting and rotating system for the driver's cab. This rotating brush is a great addition to any farmyard. Cows use brushes as a way to groom and cope with stress. The Ultra Air Blast Sprayer has a huge 150-meter spraying range. It takes care of fields by spraying them with important protection. Back-tolled hay cranes inspire a variety of farming applications. It successfully optimizes the use of hay with no labor issues. Stored in the ceiling of a barn, it doesn't get in the way either.